Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rank Booster. In this video we gonna talk about course planner for class 11, class 12, engineering exams like JEE Mains and Advanced, BITSIT, MET, VIT, SRM-JEE, Comdec, etc. So let's get started. Make sure you like and share the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel for latest updates. Subject-wise syllabus plan for class 11 physics, chemistry and maths. Physics class 11 topics with number of lectures allotted to it. Mathematical tools. 12. Rectilinear motion. 5. Projectile motion. 6. Relative motion. 6. Newton's law of motion. 11. Friction. 5. Work power and energy. 11. Circular motion. 7. Center of mass. 11. Rigid body dynamics. 16. Simple harmonic motion. 7. Fluid mechanics. 6. Surface tension. 5. Unit and dimension. 2. Measurement and error. 2. Elasticity and viscosity. 3. String wave. 8. Sound wave. 8. Kinetic theory of gases and thermodynamics. 8. Calorimetry and thermal expansion. 5. So. Total number of lectures is 144. Chemistry class 11 topics with number of lectures allotted to it. Introduction to chemistry. 4. Atomic structure. 16. Mole concept. 10. Gaseous state 1. Ideal gas. 8. Chemical equilibrium. 8. Gaseous state 2. Real gas. 4. Thermodynamics. 11. Ionic equilibrium elementary. 6. Ionic equilibrium advanced. 4. IUPAC nomenclature. 9. Structural isomerism. 3. All basic concepts of organic chemistry ABC 1. 6. Structural identification. 4. Periodic table. 7. BIN. 3. Chemical bonding. 20. ABC 2. 3. GOC 1. 9. ABC 3. 3. ABC 4. 3. S block elements. 4. P block elements. 5. So. Total number of lectures is 150. Maths class 11 topics with number of lectures allotted to it. Sets and relation. 5. Fundamental of mathematics 1. 12. Quadratic equation. 11. Sequence and series. 12. Trigonometry. 14. Fundamental of mathematics 2. 11. Binomial theorem. 7. Permutation and combination. 12. Solution of triangle. 5. Straight line. 14. Principle of mathematical induction. 1. Statistics. 4. Circle. 11. Mathematical reasoning. 3. Conic section. 19. So. Total number of lectures is 141. Subject-wise syllabus plan for class 12. Physics topics with number of lectures. Geometrical optics. 22. Measurement error and experiments. 4. Electrostatics. 23. Gravitation. 5. Current electricity. 11. Heat transfer. 4. Capacitance. 9. EMF. 13. EMI. 11. Alternating current. 5. Modern physics. 10. Nuclear physics. 6. Wave optics. 7. Semiconductor. 6. Principle of communication. 2. Electromagnetic waves. 2. Miscellaneous. 5. So. Total number of lectures is 145. Chemistry topics with number of lectures. Solution and colligative properties. 11. Coordination compounds. 12. Solid state. 10. Electrochemistry. 12. Metallurgy. 5. Qualitative analysis 1. 6. Nitrogen and oxygen family. 7. Equivalent concepts and titration. 6. Halogen and Nobel gas. 4. Surface chemistry. 5. Chemical kinetics. 9. Qualitative analysis 2. 5. D block. 4. GOC 2. 15. Stereoisomerism. 13. ORM 1. 10. ORM 2. 6. Reduction oxidation and hydrolysis. 6. ORM 3. 5. ORM 4. 6. Aromatic compounds. 5. Carbonyl compounds. Carboxylic acid and acid derivatives. And biomolecules. Chemistry in everyday life. 11. So. Total number of lectures is 173. Maths topics with number of lectures. Function and ITF. 18. Limits continuity and derivability. 17. Method of differentiation. 5. Matrices and determinant. 13. Application of derivatives. 17. Indefinite integration. 8. Definite integration and its application. 15. Differential equation. 7. Vector and 3D. 18. Binary operation. 2. Linear programming. 1. Complex number. 16. Mathematical reasoning. 3. Revision for important topics. 7. So. Total number of lectures is 147. Daily practice problems DPPs. Problems for assignment. Practice questions for covering current and previous topics. A DPP for G Advance has 7 to 10 problems. And DPP for G Mains contains up to 20 questions. Solution will be uploaded to IIT JEE Booster blogs. Make sure you visit our blog for solution. Link given in description. Practice tests pattern. Periodic tests are conducted having syllabus, part tests PTs, with many problems of seen nature. And tests comprising of the syllabus taught till date, cumulative tests CTs, with unseen problems. Both PTs and CTs are conducted on the pattern of several engineering exams like G Mains plus Advance. Study material. Topic-wise study material having key concepts. Problems for practice in various exercise levels and questions asked in previous years in engineering exams. Join our Telegram channel to access our study material. So, get ready to start your journey. Join our family of learning by pressing subscribe button.